Hi everybody, Dr. Hannes Dreyer here, and in this upcoming Master Property Training you will learn how to apply the ruler's principle to your property investments so that you can finally have the certainty and peace of mind that comes from knowing that you have a deployable and a predictable investment system that generates consistent results for you year in and year out to lead you to financial freedom. Now, financial freedom basically means that you can do what you want to do, when you want to do it, how you want to do it, with whom you want to do it, where you want to do it, without worrying about money. Because you know that at the end of the month, your passive income from your property portfolio will be there each and every month. I just want to tell you what we're going to go over in this webinar to prepare you for what is going to happen. Now, this webinar is dramatically different from others that you may have attended from other presenters in the past because it is literally designed to be a miniature condensed masterclass. My goal for this webinar is for you to leave this training and be fully able to go out and get at least 55% growth on your property investment. So if you want to get at least 55% growth on your next property investment, then this is definitely for you. Furthermore, if you're already investing property, or at least you have your own house, you will learn a strategy based on universal investment principles that will definitely help you to get a better return on your investment than anything that you are currently getting. Now, RULERS is an acronym that stands for, the R stands for radar, the U stands for understand, and the understanding part is based on the 5 pillars of a property mastery. The L stands for love, the E stands for events, in other words, how do we create the events or what events must be triggered in order for us to get incredible deals. The R stands for reduce risk, and the S of course then stands for systems and how to use the right systems in the right way to get the maximum growth on our investment. Now, as a practical case study, I will show you during this webinar how I applied this ruler principle in real life to turn a just 5 cents investment into a passive income of more than 23 million rand in less than 9 months. And the crazy thing is that I did it part-time, and 3 of the 9 months we were holidaying basically in America, Bermuda, as well as the South African Bushveld. Now, as I said before, the goal of this webinar is to show you how to use the ruler's principle to get at least 55% growth on your investment. And perhaps to put that a little bit more into perspective, the best South African unit trust fund for the last 5 years only delivered a compounded interest of just 16.3% according to investonline.co.za. Another great thing about this principle is that you do not need any financial qualifications or background. In fact, you don't even need to have passed grade 8 maths. I'm also going to show you how to use a simple but very powerful system that a grade 8 student can master in less than a day to secure a growth rate of 55% on your investment. So we are really going to be covering a lot, and I really want to inform you about this framework, the ruler's framework that we are going to follow to make sure that this is a match for what you are looking for. Because I know that your time is extremely valuable and that you can't recover it. So if this sounds good to you and this is what you're looking for, then book your seat right now. I've gone ahead and I put the dates and the time for you below this video, so make sure to book your seat now by filling in the booking form. I hope that you've enjoyed watching this video as much as I've enjoyed making it, and I look forward to seeing you on the webinar. Now, perhaps before I forget, if you're new to this group, be on the lookout for several surprise bonuses that will help you to get the most from this webinar. Thanks for your time, and I'll talk to you soon.